guess what's happening over here again, guys? The last time I was recording this construction update was by Memorial Day last time. So here's the trend, what is going on, especially a moving excavator over here. Alright, 7 next gen. Okay, that's from Fresh Pond. So all right. Well, I can't record the front. That means it's gonna be, I can't record construction workers' faces, so this is the open end. Yes, only a dispatcher of a bus. I am.
So you know Mr. Spencer?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, okay,
I know.
I got you.
You know East New York. Do you know East New York Depot? Yeah, because that's where I'm working out.
Oh, you over there? Okay.
I'm in East. But Mr. Spencer, yeah,
Is that Alabama Avenue, East New York Depot?
Yes, under Broadway Junction.
I'm gonna do luck, brother.
Yes.
I'm happy to see my brothers doing things.
Because MTS.
No, we don't only sell drugs.
No.
You see, I know it's the life, but
I'm always raised better than that.
I hear you, brother, but you use your head, right?
Yeah. All right, have a great day. All right, this is the end. I'm off to the bank, so have a great day, and like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates of this terminal upgrade.